So, good day, sir. We are the team BBM. I am OLIDAN Isus V. My members are SALVA, Roger Anthony, Gonzales Mylen, FUENTES Joseph, and MONTAñO J. So, I will be reporting about, explaining about the UI of our product, our final project. So, as you can see, sir, um, the the UI, the background is not so dark and not so white, so it is good for the eye of a user. So this our ad product, the button for the ad product. Go to when we add go to order. When I click this, there is a window pop up order entry, and we put also a cancel button for us the user na pwedeng mabalikan yung doon sa product entry at to see the product quantity, no. So the table is well centered, no. It is good for the UI design. So the product entry will be discussed about Mylan Gonzalez, sir.
So good afternoon, sir. My assigned topic is about product entry. So first, as we can see, there are a product ID, product name, and product description, and product quantity. So when we say product ID, here, we are already here an example. Item 101, item 03, product name, laptop and charger, and product description, Asus and Samsung. And product quantity, it means that how many or how many do, do you want to put in, and then the remaining quantity. So let's try it. Product ID, so let's try to put a item 01, and then product name, laptop, and then product description, Asus, and then product quantity, let's say 8, and then add product. So as we can see here, there are errors that duplicate entry item 01 for key primarily. So it means that this item is already here in a table. So let's try to change or to add a new one. So let's try to put it a item 04, and then mouse, and then product description, a wireless, let's say wireless, and then product quantity, I want to put it a number 15, and add product. So as we can see, it's already or automatically put it here in a table, and item 04, mouse, wireless, 15, product of quantity, and remaining quantity. So that's all. Thank you. So next is Mr. Salva.
So this year, so let's proceed to the next order entry. As we can see, we have order ID, product ID, and quantity. And if we put a four, then the product ID is item 4. Then the quantity is 6. Then let's go back to the product ID. Item 4, mouse, wireless, and everything. And then we go back to order entry. And we put 4. Then the product ID is item 04. Then the quantity is 6. Then we go to add order. As we can see, order ID for product ID item 04. Then the quantity is 6. We have the product ID is item 4. As we can see, our product quantity is 9 and the remaining quantity is 9. And then we go back to order. Then order ID is 5. Then the product ID is item 04. Then the quantity is 9. Then we add order. Then we go back to product entry. So as we can see, the product quantity is 0. Then the remaining quantity is not available because the all item have been ordered and sold. Then the next presenter will be Joseph Fuentes.
Palihog ko sa database. Good afternoon, sir. My assigned topic is about the database of our system. First, let's go and open the product info table. In here, we will see all the items that was inserted or added by the user so that the system will have an inventory or items in the inventory. Here we will see the item ID, the product ID, the product name, product description, and product quantity. Then next is in the order info table. In this table, we will see the items that the user has ordered or the items that the user selected to be ordered. And in the quantity, the quantity here will be automatically deducted to the remaining quantity in the product info table. And that is all.
So that's all. So sir, I am going to explain the Montaño side. So this is not long. So here sir, um, there is a button that show the history. So what we've come up sir is the code like this. So as you can see, makikita natin na ang order ID ay naka ascending order. Kasi doon sa code ay naka ordered by as naka ascending itong order ID. So this is sir the history, the remaining quantity, and yung quantity na hindi pa na in order. Ito yung pag nag-order ng quantity, ilan ba dito? 8. 20 minus yung 8 na bili. So 8 yung remaining quantity pag nag-order ng ilan? 12 dito sa 20. So 8. So back and yun. That's all sir. Thank you.